All right, so now we're going to talk about foam rolling on the hamstrings and the glutes. So there are many different ways you can target different muscles in foam rolling through the hamstrings and the glutes. Today we're going to go ahead and get the back side of my hamstrings or the back side of my legs. We're going to go to the side and then we're going to go get the middle as well. Then we're going to target the glutes more accurately. So as you can see here, I'm just foam rolling nice and easy over those muscles, not forcing my weight down on it, but I'm also not going super fast. I'm trying to look for different knots or different areas where there might be a lot of tension or knots there, so I can go ahead and just roll over it, and it just makes it feel a little bit better. So inside of the leg, you'll want to place 1 foot off of the foam roller, and then you'll want to target the inside of the leg by just internally rotating that leg. And then we're going to go back to the glutes now. So I like to put my knee or my leg up on my knee, and then I'll go back and forth over one side, shifting my weight to the direction that I want to target. And then this is the glute med. So then I want to go right direct to the side of my hip here. And then I'll flip over to the other side and then do the other side.